Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the silent mode on your iPhone Air. So let's get started. Now, there's two different ways you can do it. One way is using this button right here. All you're going to do is press and hold for a few seconds and you should see it go into silent mode, and you should see an icon right here indicating the silent mode with that bell with the line across. Now, another way you can also do this is if you wanted to turn it off, you'd long press and hold. It takes like 2 or 3 seconds, and then again the silent mode is now turned off. If you couldn't do that, because in your setting you want to make sure that in the action button it is not selected to any other mode, you want to make sure it's selected to silent mode, so you can use that button to actually do that. Now, if you were using that button for something else, you can also go into your setting and then go down to sounds and haptics, and the silent mode option is also up top here, so you can go ahead and enable or turn it on just like that, as you can see here, the bell icon, or you can just simply turn it off just like that. So that's how you can turn on and off the silent mode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.